Welcome to Kids Zone Rhymes and Songs.
Let's go to the jungle, come with me. There's a surprise waiting under a tree. A sunny day with skies so blue, and jungle friends are waiting for you.
Look, it's Monkey with a red balloon. He's jumping high and dancing to a tune.
Here comes Elephant, big and loud. He blows his trumpet and gathers the crowd. Lion arrives
With a big sweet cake, with candles and frosting he helped to bake.
Let's count the candles. 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and dance with me. Parrot flies down singing a song. Happy birthday, come sing along.
Zebra says, look at my stripes, black and white with perfect types.
Giraffe walks tall with a gift so wide, wrapped in paper with stars outside.
Let's blow the candles, take a breath,
Wish out loud.
don't forget. Now it's time to sing and cheer.
The birthday bash is finally here. Thank you, friends, for all the fun. We danced
And laugh, now the party's done.
wave goodbye and don't be blue. More jungle fun is
Coming for you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.